Title: Constipation? Don't ignore this truth. Watch before it's too late. Intro: The uncomfortable truth. Dear viewers, welcome to another episode from Living Well Daily. We're truly honored to have you here. Whether you're a returning subscriber or a curious newcomer, thank you for joining us. Today, we invite you on a journey, not just through your digestive system, but into the very rhythm of your body's silent language. Think of your gut as a clock. When it ticks smoothly, everything else falls into sync. But when it slows, even just a little, the whole system stutters. That slow tick? That silence where there used to be movement? That's not just constipation, it's a message. In this episode, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to unravel it. We'll shine a light on the hidden signals your body's been sending, explore why they're so often ignored, and give you real, lasting tools to reset the rhythm from within. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and stay with us, because sometimes the key to healing doesn't come from outside advice, but from learning how to hear your body's inner whisper. Part 2, Breaking the Myths. Let's bust some myths together. Myth number 1. You must poop every single day to be healthy. No, you don't. What matters most is consistency for your own body. Some people go daily, others every 2 or 3 days. The problem arises when your regular pattern changes dramatically. Myth number 2. Just drink more water. Water helps. Yes, but without fiber, it's like trying to drive a car with gas, but no wheels. Fiber adds the bulk your gut needs. Water helps it move. Myth number 3. Constipation is harmless. It's easy to ignore, but chronic constipation can signal nerve issues, thyroid imbalances, medication side effects, or even tumors. It's your gut's way of waving a red flag. Myth number 4. Laxatives are the best fix. They can offer relief, but they're not a long-term solution. Overuse can make your bowels lazy. Your gut needs rhythm, not rescue. Bonus insight. Myth-busting empowers you to shift from reactive to proactive health. Once you stop fearing symptoms and start understanding them, your healing accelerates. Part 3. The hidden causes you never thought of. Sometimes, what slows your gut has nothing to do with food. Here's what could be happening behind the scenes. 1. Neurological miscommunication. Your brain and gut talk constantly. Conditions like diabetes, Parkinson's, or chronic stress can interrupt that signal. When your gut doesn't hear the message to move, everything slows down. 2. Medications, from antidepressants to iron supplements, even common prescriptions can bind you up. If your constipation began after starting a medication, that's a clue worth checking. 3. Hormonal changes. Pregnancy, menopause, thyroid issues, your hormones shape your gut's motility. A slowdown might be hormonal, not just behavioral. 4. Ignoring the urge. Delaying bowel movements regularly teaches your body to suppress the reflex. Over time, this leads to chronic backup. 5. Sedentary lifestyle. Movement stimulates digestion. If your day is mostly sitting, your gut may be too. Additional note. Environmental factors like jet lag, dehydration during travel, or even a sudden change in diet can temporarily throw off your gut's rhythm. Recognizing these helps you adjust and bounce back faster. Part 4. The behavioral fixes that actually work. Let's talk action. 1. Go with the flow, literally. The best time to try is in the morning, about 20 to 30 minutes after breakfast. Your body's natural gastrocolic reflex is strongest then. Even if you don't feel the urge, sit anyway. Routine builds rhythm. 2. Elevate your legs. Use a stool under your feet to mimic a squat. It straightens the rectum and makes passage easier. 3. Put down your phone. Multitasking delays the brain-gut signal. Be present with your body. It's sacred time. 4. Relaxation matters. Try breathing exercises. Deep belly breaths trigger the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. 5. Stop forcing it. Pushing strains your pelvic floor. Instead, focus on posture and patience. Bonus tip. Tracking your bowel movements in a simple journal or app can help you identify patterns and triggers, empowering you to take charge. Part 5. Food is medicine. Let food do the healing. Superfoods for smoother digestion. Kiwi. 2 a day can work wonders. It contains enzymes that assist motility without bloating. Guava. A budget-friendly powerhouse of fiber and prebiotics. Avocado. Creamy and full of soluble and insoluble fiber, plus healthy fats. Chia seeds. Soaked overnight. They form a gel that's soothing to your gut. Flaxseed. Freshly ground. They're both anti-inflammatory and cleansing. Don't forget your allies. Cooked greens for magnesium. Lentils and legumes for fiber. Yogurt, kefir, or fermented veggies for natural probiotics. Sample daily menu. Oatmeal plus kiwi plus flax in the morning. Guava snack midday. Soup with lentils, greens, and brown rice for lunch. Chia pudding later on. Salmon and sweet potatoes by dinner. Extra tip. Bitter foods like arugula, dandelion greens, or lemon water before meals can help stimulate bile flow, priming your gut for smoother digestion. Part 6. Natural boosters and movement. Let's move into momentum. 1. Abdominal massage. Gently massage your belly clockwise. It mimics intestinal flow. 2. Yoga and movement. Poses like Malasana or wind-relieving pose literally help unstick your system. A 15-minute post-meal walk can do more than any pill. 3. Strengthen your core. Squats, bridges, and planks engage deep muscles that support digestive motion. 4. Breathe with awareness. 5 minutes of box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, helps calm your nervous system and support gut-brain communication. 5. Feed your microbiome. Fermented foods equals living helpers. Rotate them like you rotate veggies. Movement insight. Rebounding, light bouncing on a mini trampoline, or gentle twisting stretches can also support lymphatic drainage, another way to unstick internal traffic. Part 7. The takeaway. One belly at a time. Let's wrap this up with something personal, something real. I once worked with a retired school teacher named Marie. At 68, she had battled constipation for over a decade. Her life had become rigid around it. Carefully planned meals, avoiding social outings, skipping vacations. She was tired of the constant discomfort. But more than that, she was tired of feeling like her body was broken. When Marie came to us, she had tried every laxative, tea, and supplement you can imagine. But here's what changed everything for her. We didn't give her a pill. We gave her a plan. A gentle, holistic routine that revolved around trust in her own body. She started with fiber-rich breakfasts and daily morning walks. She learned how to breathe deeply, stretch mindfully, and eat with intention. Slowly, her gut woke up. Not just once, but day after day. Her skin improved. Her energy returned. And best of all, she planned her first cross-country road trip without fear of needing an emergency restroom. What happened with Marie isn't magic, it's biology. It's about rhythm. The human body is built to move, digest, and renew itself. But it needs our help. We don't need to control it. We need to support it. Quick recap. Constipation is a signal, not just a symptom. Your gut thrives on rhythm, fiber, hydration, and calm. Quick fixes backfire. Consistency wins. Healing starts with small, daily choices. Practical advice to remember. Listen to your body's cues. It speaks in whispers long before it screams. Build healthy habits into your routine, movement, meals, and mindfulness. Don't ignore persistent symptoms. Your gut is your body's dashboard for deeper wellness. Remember, small, consistent changes make a bigger impact than short-lived efforts. If today's episode helped you see your health in a new light, we'd love for you to join our community. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to Living Well Daily to stay connected with honest, evidence-based health guidance that empowers you to live better. One choice, one habit, one day at a time. Your health journey matters, and we're honored to walk it with you. Stay curious, stay committed, and as always, live well every day.